Soon, our classrooms will be filled with parents, grandparents, guardians, and community members enrolled in NEISD's Family Engagement Leadership Academy. Our family specialists will teach and facilitate workshops meant to help you strengthen your knowledge and skills in several areas. Classes range from parenting to health and nutrition, leadership, academics, and more. This course isn't meant to test you. It's meant to empower you to better support your child through every step of their educational journey. There is no cost to join the Leadership Academy, and it's open to any adult in our community. Registration can take place at any time during the school year, but now is a great time to enroll because classes start in September. To find out more, reach out to your family specialist or the Family Engagement Department at the link below. Earlier this week, Forbes included our district on its annual list of America's Best Employers. This is the third year in a row that North East ISD has been recognized as one of the top companies in Texas. We are the only district in the area to be recognized and one of just 6 districts in the state to make the list. This is a testament to the quality and dedication of our teachers and staff. It's also a reflection of you, your family, and the community we have created together. Thank you for helping to make our district such a special place to live, learn in, and work. If you'd like to view any of my previous messages, you can access those on the Superintendent webpage. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around our district.